I'm Renee Murphy, and this is your Monday Minute. Our school board will get an update this week on non-traditional instruction. Learn more about what you can expect for online learning for JCPS this school year. We'll be sharing more information about how to request a Chromebook or a Wi-Fi hotspot this week. Be sure to follow us on social media for updates. And if you need to update your contact information, just go to our homepage, follow the instructions to make sure that you're getting all the updates from JCPS. That's your Monday Minute. Have a great week.